stopping you from sleeping. You're not getting enough rest.
Yeah.
Feeling pretty fatigued throughout the day too, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let this muscle relax here. Let this shoulder relax. Tilt slightly this way. Good. And then take a breath. Great. Oh, that already moved. Ooh, okay. That was good.
I feel my hands tingle.
Yeah. It's like a lightning bolt hit.
Feel good.
That was clean.
That was deep.
Beautiful. You're gonna feel it go straight across. Good. Right there.
Oh.
Ooh.
That was super deep.
That was the most deep. That was good. Yeah?
That was amazing.
How did that feel compared to...
That was good. I can never get it that deep for sure.
Yeah. Does that feel?
I feel good.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely better than when I came in.
Yeah, I can feel the energy coming back. We're getting you feeling like yourself again.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you.
That was good.
I'll probably get a good night's sleep tonight.
Yeah.